What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a nice day trading recap. Traded stock 80 APDN. It's up 198% today, and I think I was surgical on it. Check it out. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right on into this. APDN had some news today, and it made a real nice move. Like, it gapped up from the $4 and change area all the way up here to the $5, $6 area at the open. Okay, it made this real nice push up here to $7.50, and then it pulled it in. Now, I wasn't around. I wasn't even at my desk when all this was going on, and it kind of sucks. I overslept. I didn't get to my desk today until 10 a.m. Baby kept us up last night, some little extra. Little learning curve there, but we figured it out and got some sleep in. But that's why I was late today. However, I didn't let that fluster me or affect my trading. I came here, I opened up everything, I looked at my scanners, I checked out what was going on, what was hot, I drew out my lines for my resistance and support, and I sat and waited for the trade to come to me. If it didn't come to me, I wasn't going to chase it. I was just going to go ahead and trade my plan. Okay, so I sat here and watched APDN right here. I got here around 10 o'clock. I got here after it made all this move and was consolidating sideways. Now, while it was doing that sideways consolidation, I noticed here on the 5-minute chart that we were holding this area here, about $8, $7.90 area, very, very well. I mean, every time it came down there, it just bounced right off. Came down, bounced right off. And that area, whoops. Okay, so making sure I didn't open any positions there when I clicked stuff. That area there coincided with, where is it? Right here, with this bounce area. You see all these wicks right here, here. Actually, here it didn't make it all the way down there. And then resistance here, here, and here. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see it. We'll move it up a little bit again, just in case. See resistance right here in this area, support in this area. So at that time, we also had VWAP in the 9 EMA just creeping up, getting right under there. So I was like, okay, well, we have a daily level plus our intraday VWAP in 9 EMA is right there in that general area. It's time to scale into this trade here. My stop wasn't bad at all. My average was $6.28 was my average, and my stop was just like a little bit under that, right? So I was risking like 30 cents for the shot at making up to $1 a share move as I scaled out of my position. Now, since yesterday was a red day, and today I woke up late. Okay, I wasn't here for pre-market, I wasn't here for market open. I knew today for sure I wanted to be extremely conservative, but when I got here late, I wanted to be even more conservative because I just wanted to book a green day. I didn't care if it was $50, $100. I didn't care what it was. I wanted to book a green day, get back into the rhythm of things since I didn't get to day trade last week, and just get my confidence because yesterday was a red day, and I hate starting off the week red. It usually messes with my head. So I was going to be extra confident. So I took profits. I scaled out fairly quick, but I did almost nab a full $1 a share on my last take profit. Then I re-entered this trade here on this pullback. Now I have all of this live, okay, but I don't have this recorded. So I'm going to go over this right now. This area, let's see, there we go. We can zoom in a little. This area right here is a halt right here at $10 and change right there. Okay. It opened, tapped that area, and then just extended and made this beastly new high of 1424. Then it pulled in, got halted, pulled in, got halted. And then once we opened up and we held this previous halt price right here, I said game on. Now, when I traded over here, I had fair amount of shares and I made the bulk of my profit. When I traded over here, it was just icing on the cake. I only had 75 shares, but I bought them here at 10.50 and I scaled out of it all the way up here to 11.61. And I made an extra like $60 there. So not bad. Almost hit myself a triple today. Nice little $300 day basically. And that was awesome. So I'm going to get you the recording now and we can go over the bigger trade. Is it this one? No. That is old. Should be this one. Okay, perfect. So here we are, 600 shares. All right. So here we are. Oh, I'm sorry, my cost basis was 840. I don't know what I was thinking. In 600 shares, as you see there, let me bring this down a tad. 600 shares. You could see that $8 support right there, clear as day. You see the 90 MAs up here. VWAP is right there at $8. So, you know, very small risk on this trade, okay? Now, this trade did last not 34 minutes, even though that's what it says down there. I left this recording by accident, but it did last a little while. Here, once we had that first little pop right there, I took off 300 shares. Why? Well, like I said, I want to book a green day today. I don't want to be too risky. Yesterday was red, start of the week. Didn't day trade all of last week. I only did a couple swing trades last week, which I went over. So I was like, you know what? Today I want to be careful. I want to book a green day. And the market hasn't even been that great. You know, yesterday, a couple days in the small caps. So I was like, I just want to book a green day and we'll see what happens. Now, if this action continues, I might trade this again after lunch. And I will be coming in a little bit heavier tomorrow, looking for a bigger win if the market is giving us this type of move. So I'm in here, 600 shares at 840, and I take half off right there at 871. Let me pause it for you real quick here. There we go. Can you see that? Yes, you can. So 871 sold 200 shares there. The rest will sell right now, the other 100. There we go. So it's gone 300. I had 600 shares. And now I've already booked profit there. Okay. Now my cost base is 828. Because like I said, I did scale into the trade. So my cost base is 828 there. I sell another 200 shares right here at 871. No, at 865. There we go. It just happened there. There it is. Executed at 865, 200 shares, sell APDN at 865. Now I'm well into the green. I've hit myself a little single there. So I'm like, okay, perfect. I put a hard stop out and I actually sat back, turned around and answered a couple emails and I let the trade start to work itself out. I wanted to take profit off in front of the high of day. Now, why did I want to do that? Well, we haven't seen these huge moves in a while. The float was small. I should have realized there was more shorts trapped in this and maybe held on, but I wanted to be prudent. I wanted to be careful. I was already being extra conservative, taking profit in here. So I could have held on, but I took the rest of the profit right in here, right in front of the high of the day. The high of the day at the time was $9.24. I took profit at $9.21 from $8.28. That's what, like 94 cents of profit per share on 100 shares, basically $100. I already had made over $100 on the trade prior. So I'm up at that point like $220, $230. Not bad at all. So here we go. I see volume is increasing. I'm like, okay, we should break $9. I should have realized that if we broke $9, we were gonna break through the high of the day and continue on higher. So that's my fault. But I mean, I can't be mad at myself. I did my job. My job was to come in, manage my risk, and make some money. And I did exactly that. And I made above, my base hit type day. So I can't be too mad at myself. Let's fast forward this a tad here. There we go. Okay, so we get that quick little pop right in front of $9. And then we have that push right there. I thought we were going to halt, but we don't. As you can see, 100 shares, I'm already up almost $80, $90 there. As we start to move up there, right there, I decide to take my profit. Boom, take my profit right there. And then it hurts to watch it do the following. Boom, all the way to $10. But I can't complain. I'm really, nicely in the green today. So all the way up there gets halted again. and I added more profit to this. Oh, well, damn. It just made a new high. I added more profit on this bounce here. It just made a new high and got halted. Well, that's a shame. That's a real shame. I wanted it to consolidate now during lunch and make this kind of move coming out of lunch. I'll be watching. We'll see what happens. But for now, I'm sitting on a real nice, just about a triple of a day for those baseball fans. And happy, can't complain about that. Let me know how you did. Did you catch a piece of this APDN? Drop it in the comment section below. How's your week going? Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and smash that like button. It really helps me out tremendously, as well as when you comment down there. It really helps the algorithm, and I like chatting with you guys about stocks anyways. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.